Hi everyone, this is Sam and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Okay, so I went to pick it up at my Ogilvy Montreal store. It's kind of like a whole Renfrew mall. They have Chanel cosmetics. They don't have Chanel, but they have Michael Kors, Tiffany, and Longchamp, and some other store I can't remember. We do have a whole Renfrew mall where you can find much more things like Chanel, handbags, a Chanel boutique. What else? Basically, I saw YSL, Dior. So anyways, so let's continue here with my unboxing. It comes in this box and this dust bag here. It's a pochette accessoire in the monogram print. It has here, it's made in France. I've noticed like the hardware, it's already like all scratched up. It came like that. I heard that basically it used to be all brass, all their hardwares, but now it's like, I don't know what metal, but it's coated brass, and that's probably why it's all scratched up. And I'm just wondering what's gonna happen when I am actually gonna use it. Anyway, so let's just open this here. It goes all the way here. My phone fits in here. A little bus pass holder, like card holder, fits in here with my water bottle. If I do that, my phone won't fit, but I can fit my phone, a card holder, a makeup pouch, and my pills, but I have to put it in a small pill bottle. If I put my pill bottles, because I have like I take 2 different pills a day, and basically it kind of like pushes against my canvas, and I really don't want to ruin my canvas. And I also heard that basically it's thinner than the older canvases. It's like much thinner, and like just like the tip of the pill bottle, it does this, and I'm really scared to ruin my bag, because basically if you ruin the canvas, there's no way they're not going to repair your bag. It's only if you if the stitchings are coming out but the canvas is intact. If there's something wrong with the vachetta, they'll change it, but they're not gonna, they're not gonna repair any damage to the canvas. So you actually have to be careful. So I'm gonna, try not to overfit things. I'm gonna make sure it's nice and, fits as much as it should fit, and not try to overfit things inside. I had an okay experience at the Louis Vuitton store. There was one girl, I asked her for help, and she was just like, oh, there's a waiting list. Let me just go and see if there's a waiting list. She went between 2 customers. She didn't even check on the iPad if there was a waiting list, and she came back. She just pretended like, she checked it, and then she came back and she was just like, oh, there's a waiting list and you have to go see someone with the iPad and put your name there. I was like, okay. And she was just standing there doing nothing, and she thought that I didn't see her, but she didn't even check anything. Anyway, so I go and I go like right after, like it took me like 5 to 10 seconds to go see the girl with the iPad. I'm like, oh, so I heard that I have to put myself on the, I have to give you my name for the waiting list. And she's like, no, you're next. There's no waiting list. There weren't even a lot of people in the store. So basically, they introduced me. Basically, I got introduced to my sales associate. She's so nice. She texts me like when my pochette arrived, and also she's gonna check for a strap. She's gonna, whenever she's free, she'll go check if it's available, because I went back when I picked this up, she wasn't there, so I ordered a mini pochette from someone else, and the other girl just didn't, she just said, oh, it's not available, just check it online if it is, but there's like 40 people waiting in line for it. So, and I was just like, okay. So I messaged my initial salesperson, sales associate, and I asked her, you know, what I can do about it. She's gonna go and check, but I think I made a mistake. I didn't know that I can order directly from her, like via text message. I should have just done that. I thought I had to absolutely go in the store, and the store is not like connected to the metro. Especially in the winter time, I really don't want to walk on the street and go to Ogilvy. And that's why, like, I just didn't want to come back and order it when she was there, but I'm just gonna order it directly from her via text, or call the store and ask to speak with Catherine and ask her to order it for me. Yeah, because she's so nice. When you actually find someone that's really nice, a good salesperson that, you know, really tries to help you, I think you should just stick to that person, and just always with that person. If you have good experience with one sales associate, you should just stick to that person. Yeah, I wasn't offered any wine or any bottle of water, and I was like really thirsty. Thank God that I had my own bottle of water in my bag. Went to get it. So this is when I picked up my bag. I ordered it with the initial sales person, and she's so nice. The second time I went, it was someone else that was helping me. She wasn't there, so that's the time when I was thirsty, and I didn't get my water bottle. Anyways, enough with the rambling. I'm really happy with this because I have a Rampage bag. It's not a big designer, but I guess it's still a brand. It's pretty, it's really good quality. I have it for 10 years. It's a black bag with gold hardware. The hardware is like in mint condition. It's amazing. I don't know what it is, but it's just such good condition. I can even take out the strap from there and put it onto here. It's a little bit longer than this. I might show it on my another video. It's somewhere in my room, and I have a lot of bags. I really have to go through all of them to find it, and it's a bag that I only wear to parties, and it's like the only bag that I had, my only bag that can fit a lot of stuff. And I think this fits enough for me to, for me to make this a staple for, a party bag, because I have other ones that are really small. I don't like clutches, so I try to like stay away from them. Anyways, I'm really happy about this. So the next thing I ordered from Louis Vuitton was a mini pochette, and it's not very expensive, so it's okay. Like, I ordered it from another salesperson. The next time I order something, it's gonna be it's either the Speedy 30 or the Alma BB. I'll definitely order it with my I'm just gonna name her. I don't have her last name, but this is gonna be easier if I do. So her name is Catherine, so I'm just gonna order it through Catherine. I'm gonna order either the Alma BB or the Speedy. And yeah, I'm really excited to start my collection. This is actually my first designer handbag, like expensive handbag. I have a couple of Michael Kors. I have things like that. I don't really have like I don't have like any Louis Vuitton or Chanel. I do have a couple of designer sunglasses, really expensive sunglasses, but this is my first handbag. And I'm excited to grow my collection. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.